What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh. No, I'm just playing. Uh, so I got my charts marked up already. I'm moving it over to my other screen. I'm kind of sad because my other screen is like I'm not gonna have my other screen very long. And I'm a little bit sad, but because I had to go to Arizona. But everything is good. Everything is Gucci in the coochie. And yeah. So, I have a 20-point stop today. I want to see chat DBT with one contract on the NASDAQ, or with 5 contracts on the NASDAQ with a 20-point stop. How much am I risking? So I'm still a little bit sick. Okay, we're risking 400. I'm cool with that though. So we're risking 400 per trade on NASDAQ, and then 500 on, yeah, you feel me? But man, that's what's up. I forgot what I was saying. Today gonna be a good day. We're not looking for, one to whatever's anymore. I'm looking for a 1 to 2. And then if it does push like really crazily, then we'll look for that 1 to 3, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see. Right now it's pushing, or US 30 is pushing, so we might look to sell it. We're gonna look for that retest and then that bounce. So I know for a fact that eventually we're gonna come up and touch this 730 high. I want to look at the news real quick. We have 730. So we had PPI unemployment claim. So yeah, market was moving a little wonky. So we gotta watch out. And now we're gonna hop on Discord with the peoples. So like I said, I'm going break even at a 1 to 1 and take profit at a 1 to 2. We're respecting the support zone that I drew out. So we're gonna have to see. I'm pretty sure it's gonna break, and I have a feeling either it's gonna flip to the upside and we're gonna get faked out, or it's gonna drop, retest, and go. That makes sense. So yeah. All right.
What's up, gang? We're back.
Back good.
We are so back.
We are so back.
We have a support zone here. We have a little bit of a resistance here on the 5. Super oversold. We had a lot of core CPI news. Unemployment claims came out as well. A lot of news today. We do need to be very careful. It's been a very rough week in terms of just trading. I mean, we've had a profitable week, but barely, just because of yesterday. The problem has been a lot of movement has come pre-market, and then when the market's open for us, or session opens, then there's no volume. So a lot of issues lately with that. I don't want to get faked out. I'm probably going to take a trade early on, depending on how we break out. We break to the upside. take a trade, break to the downside, take a trade. I won't trade as heavy as I normally would, so it's going to be more of a tester trade. Do not get on here and risk a whole bunch of money on these first trades. I just kind of want to see what the markets are looking like right now. Are we going to recover to the upside or continue to the downside? That's kind of what we're figuring out, but yeah, we'll see. I'm probably going to end up
Order filled.
well, I mean, kind of entering this position a little premature, but I would wait for a sell position here. I'm taking the short position here. It's just a tester, just to see if we can get something going on. A little pre-fake out. Taking a sell position here on US 30. Nothing crazy.
Order filled.
Just want to see if we can kind of dictate where price is going to go. Overall, markets today they don't seem great, but I don't know. There's a setup. There's a support and resistance setup. We just got to see what happens. Price is either going to break this support and be lovely, or it's going to push back to the upside and maybe recover a little bit. But yesterday, remember, it was super overbought. Price did not care and still shot up. So kind of expecting price to maybe recover from all of this bullish stuff here and push back down. That's my actual analysis of the markets today. My prediction, right? Even though we almost just hit a target one, I wasn't paying attention. My prediction is that price ends up recovering from all of the bullish movement yesterday we saw. If I zoom this out, potentially coming back down to these zones here.
I took a accidental trade.
And that's my overall bias on what I think is going to happen. But you know what? With these type of markets, sometimes it does not matter. Sometimes they do whatever they want anyways.
So this is the retest that we're looking for.
That's always fun and exciting.
And we're looking for that drop.
You can't control the markets.
Buy 100. If we can get down there, I'll go break even.
Not risking a lot. I really want to close this week off on a very soft note, which is because it's been an insane week. NASDAQ does have some pretty good buying opportunity here as well. Not against these buying opportunities here on NAS. US 30's pushing though, so that's kind of nice. There we have it. Little push, little target one area. Not bad, not bad.
If we get stopped out, it's okay. We'll look for. I want to take a buy entry on NAS. I'm not going to lie to you.
So again, just to give you guys my overall bias on why I took a sell position where I did. Overall price is bearish, yes.
Order filled.
And usually I'd say, you know what, price probably wants to push back up, recover a little bit, yada yada. But the reason I am not feeling that as much as I normally would is because of yesterday's market. For one, we saw that same thing. We thought it was overbought. Probably going to reverse. Did not. Ended up just continuing to push, which means the markets are kind of not really caring about recovering as much. And I also believe that price needs to recover from yesterday's major push and probably come back into this zone here. Now, does that mean that price is going to do that right this second? No. But overall, I think price is going to do that at some point, and kind of puts me in more of a bearish mind state than it would a bullish one. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. I don't like what it's doing right now, but
we'll be okay.
You know, that's kind of still my overall bias there. May want to close this near break even and wait for it to push again. It's probably the best move. Because then if it does push back down, we can, yeah. I don't know, just the markets, the way they've been treating us this week is just unfortunate. Especially with how good they've been lately.
Yeah, so we're waiting for this push. We're probably gonna go touch these highs, so we'll see. Break even right now.
Markets, huh? Can't just get something going, can we? Look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ's pushing nicely, though. US 30 is just doing whatever the fuck it wants.
So we're at a target one. Well, on what's it called? We're on a target one. But
Go Peach.
yeah, NASDAQ just.
Yeah, NASDAQ was a pretty nice setup. US 30 is not respecting as much as NASDAQ did today. That's a great setup right there.
So what I do want to
That
see
breakout to the
low-key,
upside. So NASDAQ looks like it wants to make a recovery of this candle here, and it is. US 30 is not. Well, maybe it does. Probably a good buying opportunity for US 30 as well.
I'm in NAS, so we're pushing. I would have took US 30, but we got stopped out. And I know.
I still think I just have this feeling with US 30 it wants to drop though. I do. I just have a feeling that US 30 wants to push back down. And I think it will. I think US 30 is going to drop throughout the session.
Like I told y'all, normally I was going to take full profit. But if we can push with volatility, I'll hold.
I just want to wait. I just feel like it is. NASDAQ already made its nice move to the upside. Let's go, Macau. Hell yeah.
And violence.
I wonder if NASDAQ will end up filling much more here.
Yeah, we'll see.
Another 50 points or so. I wonder if it'll fill that entire candle. It'll be interesting to see.
So basically, we're at a 1 to 3, which makes sense. We don't want to see a deep retracement, but we want to see this push to the upside.
It's been a fucking insane week, honestly, just insane. Non-US 30's making a nice push. NASDAQ's up.
So now we just sit.
I don't know why I'm not feeling that, bro. I can't bring myself to take that buy.
Wait, am I in 2 trades?
Every time I even think about putting this motherfucker on it, it drops. Look at that. Every time I think about it.
So we're about to hit a full 1 to 3 on NAS. It's kind of struggling a little bit. On this support, but we know it's eventually gonna come.
Well, we know price came down to that target 1 zone and respected the shit out of this zone. For now, just for now. It's gonna break that zone. Look at that zone. That's the next break zone we're gonna see. This thing's gonna break that. Yeah, I'm moving, man. I got a lot going on right now. I'm moving within the next couple of days. My house is empty.
Violence.
Shit's crazy.
But if we can break above this with some volume, I would like to see that, because then that means we refilled this and we want to keep pushing higher.
Been going through a lot in real life, man.
I'm not adding.
I'm moving back to California.
Talking about moving back to California. Hey, so can we come on? Stop playing, please. And I have a feeling we just want to keep going. I'm not lying to you.
So I did not end up buying that on US 30. I'm waiting. You guys wonder why I'm still on here. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to catch the sell.
I feel
That's why I'm still
strongly
here.
about something, you know, what's it called? So let's not have a super big retracement. I would like to see it, you know, respect this gap that we got going on right here. If it does decide to come down, so we'll see. And the reason I put something up here is because if we break above here, more than likely we're not coming and dropping again. So we'll see. So we hit a 1 to 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we're still at that
We're
1
pushing
2,
back down.
Yeah, we're not doing that with Nas. I'm taking, like I told y'all, I'm taking 2 trades. So we gonna see.
Horrible week. I agree. It fucking markets suck.
So I want to see a continuation to the upside.
We're doing it. Come on, bro. I'm telling you, I could not bring myself to take that buy. I don't even know if I can bring myself to take another sell. This looks like shit too.
Yeah.
We need price to. I'm gonna go on the 15.
So-
We need price to break the support. Price is respecting the hell out of the support. We just need price to break out of this support here.
I'm telling y'all, man, exactly what I told y'all was gonna happen. We was gonna get a retest, and it was gonna fly. So we're really close to full. What's it called? I don't want to reduce my risk to 500 just because I know we're gonna want to come and take this out, which is why, after it pushes to 1K, we'll see what it's doing from there. Because I know it's going to fly. I just don't know when. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. And I would love to add my position to the top. But I just don't know. You know what I'm saying? So, we'll see.
I just recorded 12 videos.
A few back shots as friends will never hurt.
Yo, I know y'all heard that.
And I help you. Isn't that what friends are for?
That nigga.
So we're probably, this is probably around the 1,000 mark range as soon as we get to around here.
The blessing that you asked for. Why should God reward you for the car that you asked for? I'm like, why? What are you doing that's any different? I said it before. You can't do ordinary work. Expect an extraordinary result. I don't chase high.
Hey, that's real. Hey, listen to this, bro. This is real.
You gotta just ask yourself, hey, what make you different? Why should the universe pay you the blessing that you asked for? Why should God reward you for the car that you asked for? I'm like, why? What are you doing that's any different? I said it before. You can't do ordinary work. Expect an extraordinary result. It don't go hand in hand, dog. So, until both of them match, you're gonna keep getting the bare minimum of one. Don't let that fly over your head. Hey, you gotta just ask yourself, hey, what make you different? Why should the universe?
Hey, so we're pushing back down. I'm telling you for a fact that we're going to go touch this. If we do get stopped out, I'll look for a re-entry. No, because if we get stopped out, that's, you know, what's it called? So we'll see what it wants to do. Like I said, once we get to around here, this is gonna be the $1,000 mark, but I want to see it push up. So, I want to leave my computer, to be honest, go get something to eat, but I don't. Oh, Nasdaq is pushing, or US 30, so I want to see if Mamba's in that sale, and I'm not gonna take it, but I want to see. Look, I guarantee you he took it.
I'm trying, guys. I'm freaking trying, bro. I've tried all week with these markets, honestly. All week we've tried. It's just they're not moving at all. They're not moving the way I like them to, I need them to, or just in general, they're just not moving. They're literally just sitting there. It's literally so frustrating. Nasdaq's moving, which is great, but like US 30 is not even taking a step. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm trying my best to just get us a trade, get us something going, but it's just.
All right. So, like I said, I know for a fact we're going to come and refill this at least up to here. So, I don't know. I'm just going to hold this just because I have such a confirmation, like a, what's it called? So, I'm okay with going break even, but I'm pretty sure we want to continue to the upside. And this is not me being greedy, none of that. If you know and you're in the markets on a daily basis and you know it's a candle that they got to fill, you know, that's what's up. So right here is 1.6. We'll see what it wants to do. You're so to me.
How much does it cost?
Don't ever forget I'm him though. Like, yo, did you know you can buy? I'll get you some money. You gonna feel good.
Straight up.
You might even all that other advice I could have gave you. This is the short version.
Let me teach you. Here's look. So I almost if you take photos. Look. So I almost got kicked out of Wake Forest. So my sophomore year at Wake Forest, they told me about LimeWire. I was downloading.
Because if we can come touch up here, I'm going to move my stops to right above this candle. And I'm going to move it to 1,000 when we get up there. So
I got to go find it. If you take photos on something, one way or the other. If you want.
Now look, I'm gonna tell you some shit. Somebody down there. Somebody coming, boy. Somebody coming, boy. Guess what? I'm trying to make like a rap.
Somebody just sit there and laugh. Like.
Why are you
Last call.
because here's the thing. If I go leave, like, the only reason I'm not leaving is because I have to manage my trade. Now, if we was swinging, pause, I would walk away and I wouldn't care, or, you know, if it was down here, then I might have just let it go. But you see what it's doing. It's gonna it's not just gonna go hit it. It's gonna climb up there. You know what I'm saying? So we just gotta wait, bro. I'm glad we didn't take US 30. We're finna hit, or we hit a target 4 on NASDAQ. We're risking 500. So we realistically, we hit a, I don't like this because on here we hit a 1 to 4. And then on here we hit a 1 to 2. So, which means I wasn't risking 400 times 2. Yeah, it wouldn't have made sense because we would have been risking a little bit over anyway. So, we'll see. I want to see how it's going to react to that zone once it touches up there. Because, yeah, so we'll see. I'm tired of it climbing, bro. I just need it to go, you know, tickle, tickle, tickle. Yeah. But I do like this news day because I know it had to refill. I know it has to refill this candle. So I'm okay with, you know, holding it out until at least here. And then I'm going to reduce my risk to 1,000. Not saying, because it could come stop me out. But if it does what I think it's going to do, it's gonna continue to push. It's gonna rally, and then as soon as we get here, you know, I think it's just gonna go. So we're gonna see.
Guess who's home? Police. What is he up? Guess who's home? Police.
Johnny.
What's up?
And then after I'm done with this, I'm taking a nap. So, cause I didn't go to sleep till until literally 5 or 4, like late 4. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna see what it wants to do, man. It's finna hit this whole fair value gap. And what I mean by this whole fair value, I mean from down here all the way to up here. So it's finna, you know, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Today is a little smooth selling though. I like it. We got stopped out on the one position. It was kind of playing a little bit, but this spike really did it for us. And then it was confirmed with this candle. It touched it. It didn't even it didn't even pierce it, nigga. It just touched it, tickled it a little bit, said, and then went right. All right, let's go touch it. All right. We'll do like 115 just for the commissions. All right, so we're gonna let it run, man. So exactly what I told you. Not, like I said, today is not gonna be every day, but you know we're securing. Basically. So I want to see if we gonna break past this support or not. Life at a jet squeeze. So, hold on. I'm gonna do this on TradingView. You know what I'm saying? Long. You so sexy to me. Sexy to me. Give it if you ex bleed. You so sexy to me. Man. It's like God rewards you when you do what you're supposed to. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying, you know, God is making this trade win. But God said, hey, because he knew, hey, if I got stopped out, he knew I was going to stop. He knew it. Let's push past this support. And I want to see if we can go. Like I said, this is realistically only a 1 to 3. Well, we're at a 1 to 3 right now. Call me a kid.
Order filled.
Call me a kid, but I'll take one too. Hey, we hit 1, 2, 3 and tickled a 1 to 5. I'm okay with that. So all of these were up like 1,000. So day 1 complete. We had a 1 to 4. I'm pretty sure this is gonna end up rallying back up. But today was okay. Like today was good. Today was a great day actually. We had 1 loss and 1 win, which made up for everything. So hey, and at 5 o'clock, I'm finna reset this because I don't like when it do this. So, let's see. Hey, I told y'all. And then we closed a little bit before it got to 1,000. So, you know, I told you it's going to want to refill this week. And I know it's probably going to come back up, but it's straight. 1, 2, 4, 5. We're off the charts. Man, today did it for me, bro. We've had 2 good days. Mamba didn't end up taking those trades. Oh, and if you see, I'm not going to take another trade because I don't want to give back my profits, but US 30 is consolidating heavy, which means when it breaks out and it's confirmed, it's going to break, if that makes sense. So, we would have hit we hit 1 to 3. So we would have had, 150 on the live? But we're not doing that. All right. What's today? 13. Man, great way to end off the week, bro. I'm not going to lie to you. Boy, I need one of them soundboards that be like, you know what I'm saying? 14, 25, or let's just put 20, 25. And then we're going to go Thursday. Sell / buy. Wait, what did we take? Because we took something on US 30. I think we took a buy. US 30. We gonna go NAS / or we'll put US 30 first. / NAS. So what is this? Oh, how much I was risking? 500. And now, from now on, all you're gonna see in this column is 500, right? So 500. We was going for a 1 to 2, but we ended up going 1, 2, 3. No, we closed out at around a 1 to 2. 2.5. 1 and 2.5. I don't know. Let's see what NASDAQ did. Okay. I think low-key NASDAQ is not going to drop. Well, I think NASDAQ is going to drop to that 50% mark of, if it decides to drop, and push up. So past that little support zone that we had marked out. In US 30, low-key looks like it's gonna, push, but I'm gonna get off these charts because I don't want to do anything I regret. So 1 to 1, and we'll just say 1 to 2. I think 25 points is what we were risking. How many trades did we take? 2. 1, 2, 4, 5. I think. Let's make sure. You're so sexy to me. See to me. So 1, 2, 4, 5. All right. Yeah. We'll put W's in a shot. Oh, and by the way, what's it called? The only thing is, when I do pass these accounts, I might either have to withdraw my 6 and go pay for these accounts or whatever. But no, today was good. We end off the week green. If we wouldn't have had these big old losing days, I mean, the rest of the month of, July wasn't bad. Well, the rest of the month was bad, but we won more than we lost, but we made our losses bigger than our wins, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna put these whole 4 accounts together and say 1,245 times 4.
1,245 times 4 is 4,980.
Nah, I'm gonna keep the 1 account. Let me think. Do I want to do all 4? Let me think. 9,000 times 4.
9,000 times 4 is 36,000.
It'd be 36. So that's what we have to get to. It really doesn't matter. Yeah. 1,245 times 4.
1,245 times 4 is 4,980.
So then we're going to have to put the week at Friday. So we're going to go 08, 05. And I know this is long, but I'm showing y'all my process of everything and how I do everything. Wait, 08, 15, 2025. Friday. It's Friday. In a real way. You know what I'm saying? Bradowski. Alright, let's see. Hold on. Trading. Now, how much I was risking. Oh, I'm tripping, dog. I'm finna take me a nap. But the reason being is I normally don't take naps, but I didn't go to sleep till super late anyway. Hey, so just like if we highlight, if the week was a dub or not. I want to put this as green. I want to highlight this whole thing as green. Come on, dog. The goal is to see more green than we do red. But with this week, we can do that. So weekly total on each account, we're up just, I think that 1,200. Weekly. Invite Lance. Just for that week, we'll put the leader account at what's it at? 4,531. $4,531. All right, man. I'm about to be done I'm about to end this recording in a second, but today was a good week. So now look, we're two from last month. So this journal literally has been a month of me trading, and we're 50% each week. We won 1 week, we blew an account, and then we're up this week. So basically for the whole month, not of a specific, like, you know what I'm saying. The last 30 days, we're 50% for the field, but realistically, we're down because we blew accounts. But we're gonna try not to do this. We're gonna try to get to around, like I said, that $36,000 mark, within the next 9 to 14 trading days. Yeah, man, it was a good day. I don't like, the thing is, bro, like when I be taking trades by myself, so we took it off of here, right? I don't be liking, because it almost came down and hit my stop loss and then rallied up. So if we would have had a 20-point stop, it wouldn't have been, what's it called? It wouldn't have been looking too good because we would have got stopped out. And yeah, man. So good week. And I'll see y'all next week for, I guess, week 1, 2, 3, 4, week 5. Peace. Life is good. Life is great. And I will see y'all on Monday.